Good morning dears. Last session we learnt about decimals and we did few problems also. Today I am continuing exercise 1.1 second Roman. Before that we recall few terms. To convert millimeter to centimeter, what we have to do? We have to divide by 10 or multiply by 1 by 10. What we have to do? To convert millimeter to centimeter, we have to divide by 10 or multiply by 1 by 10. Likewise, to convert centimeter to meter, we have to divide by 100 or multiply by 1 by 100. These things you should remember and we need for doing these problems also. To convert grams to kilogram, we have to divide by 1000 or multiply by 1 by 100. The last class also I told, but we need now, that's why I am recalling. Come to second Roman, fifth subdivision, 375 millimeter. This millimeter is given to us, we have to convert to centimeter, then millimeter to centimeter. If you are convert, multiply by 1 by 10 or divide by 100. Divide by 10. So 375 divided by 10. Here how many zeros are there in denominator? Only 1 zero. So how many decimal points we have to move? Only 1 point. So 37.5 centimeter. 37.5 centimeter. So 375 millimeter equal to 375 by 10 equal to 37.5 centimeter. If we convert to millimeter to centimeter, we should multiply by 1 by 10 or divide by 10. Here I am dividing by 10. So how many decimal points are, how many zeros are there in denominator? Only 1 zero. That's why I am moving only 1 point. 37.5 centimeter. Come to the third Roman. Express the following in meters using decimals. Is given to us centimeter. Centimeter is given to us. We have to convert to meter. We have to convert to meter. If centimeter to meter, if you are converting, what we have to do? Divide by 100. Divide by 100. What is the first subdivision is given to us? 16 centimeter. Convert to meter. Convert to meter. So you know very well 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. 1 by 100 meter. So 16 centimeter equal to 16 by 100. Here I am dividing by 100. How many zeros are there in denominator? 2 zeros are there. So how many points we have to move to right or left? We have to move to right to left. So 0.16, only 2 digits are there. That's why I am keeping the point here. After that have to write 0. So 0.16 meter. So 16 centimeter equal to 0.16 meter. Come to that second subdivision. Second subdivision is given to us 7 centimeter. So you should divide by 100. So 7 by 100. Only 1 digit was there. If 1 digit was there, you have to keep 2 decimal points. In front of 7 or before 7 you should add 0. Then only you will get 2 decimal places. So 0.07. Here 2 zeros are there in denominator. We have to keep 2 decimal places. We have to move. For that, before 7 you should add 0. Then only we can keep 2 decimal places. So 0.07 meter. Come to the third Roman, third subdivision. 43 centimeter is given. So you should divide by 100. 2 zeros are there. Keep on I am saying. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. You have to keep 2 decimal places. So 0.43 meter. Come to the fourth Roman. Here 6 meter, 6 centimeter is given. 6 meter, 6 centimeter is given. Only centimeter alone we have to convert to meter. 6 meter as it is we can keep it. So 6 meter plus 6 centimeter. For that 6 meter plus 6 by 100 meter. 6 by 100 meter. So 6 meter plus 0.06 because here 2 zeros was there. So you should move 2 decimal places. So 0.06 meter, that is equal to 6.06 meter. Come to the fifth Roman. 2 meter 54 centimeter is given to us. 2 meter 54 centimeter is given to us. 2 meter, already it was meter only there. So 54 centimeter alone we have to convert to meter. So I can write it as 2 meter plus 54 centimeter. So for converting centimeter to meter, we should divide by 100. So 54 by 100 meter, that you can write it as 2 meter plus 0.54 meter. So 2.54 meter. If you are adding 2 plus 0.54, 2.54 meter. Come to that fourth Roman. Expand the following decimal numbers. The whole number already you know how to expand. Whole number already you know how to expand. So now you must learn only how to expand the decimal numbers. Fourth one, expanded form of decimal numbers. Expanded form of decimal numbers. First Roman is given to us, first 37.3. Here 37 is a whole number, 3 only is a decimal part, you know. If it is a whole, this is a whole number part, this is a decimal number part. So what is this number? 7 is ones. 7 is ones place. What is the place value of 3? Tens. Here after the decimal place, decimal part was there, that is 3. What is the place value of 3? 3 is tens. 3 is tens. So 37 already you know how to expand. So 37.3, 3 into 100 plus 7 into 10, because this is ones place, this is tenth place. What about 3 place? 10th place. This one, 3 into 1 by 10. 3 into 1 by 10. So, sorry, this is 10th place, 3 into 10. So 30 plus 7 into 1, 7 plus 3 by 10. 30 plus 7 plus 3 by 10. Come to the second subdivision, 658.37. So this is a whole number part, this is a decimal number part, this you know, ones, tens, 100. What is the place value of these two digits? This is 10th place, this is 100th place. Last class itself I told you. So 658.37 equal to 6 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 8. 8 into 1 plus 3 into 1 by 10 plus 7 into 1 by 100. So 600 plus 50 plus 8 plus 3 by 10 plus 7 by 100. Come to the third subdivision. 237.6. Here 237 is a whole part, whole number part, 6 is a decimal part. So 237.6 equal to, this is 100 place, tens, ones, here 10th place. So 2 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 7 into 1 plus 6 by 6 into 1 by 10. So we can write it as 230 plus 7 plus 6 by 10. Come to the fourth subdivision. 5678.358. How to read the decimal numbers? 5678.358. This is ones place, tens place, hundred place, then thousand place. What about these things? Tens. Here hundreds, then thousands. So 568.358 equal to 5 into 1000 plus 6 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 8 into 1, then plus 3 into 1 by 10 plus 5 into 1 by 100 plus 8 into 1 by 1000. So 5000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 8, 3 into 1 by 10, 3 by 10 plus 5 by 100 plus 8 by 1000. Come to that fifth problem. Express the following decimal numbers in place value grid and write the place value of the underlined digit. We have to write the decimal numbers in place value chart, and also we have to find the place value of the underlined word. Thousand, I start here, that number I am writing now. Decimal number, then 1000, hundreds, after that 10, ones, tens, then ones. Here tens, hundred, then thousandth place. Hundreds, thousands. If we need, we can include. Up to this one, I stop. Thousands, here only 1000, for hundreds 100, tens 10, ones 1. What about tens? 1 by 10. What about hundreds? 1 by 100. Thousands? 1 by 1000. This is the way we have to write. The first one is given to us 53.61. What about 53? Here ones and tens. Only two numbers is given to us. So no thousands, no hundreds, only tens. 5, what? 3 ones. How many tens are there? 6 tens are there. So I am writing here. Then how many hundreds are there? Only 100s, no 1000 place. What is the underlined word is given to us? Here 6 is the underlined word. What about the place value of 6? Where we are writing the place, where we are writing that 6? 10th place. So what is the place value? Place value of 6 equal to 6 into 1 by 10. Where we are writing the 6? 10th place, 1 by 10. So 6 into 1 by 10, that is equal to 6 by 10. Come to the second subdivision. What the number is given to us? 263 point. Second subdivision, 263.271. Here 100, tens, ones, after that tens, hundreds, thousands. So here no thousands, 200s, 6 tens, 3 ones. How many tens are there? 2. How many hundreds are there? 7. Then 1. What is the underlined word here? 2 is the underlined word. So what is the place value of 2? So second subdivision, place value of 2 equal to, likewise 2 into 1 by 10, that is equal to 2 by 10. Come to the third subdivision, 17.39. 17.39. Here any thousands are there? No. Any hundreds are there? No. Only tens and ones was there. So no hundreds, no thousands. 1, 7, 3, 9. No thousands also. What is the underlined word here? 9. Where we are writing the 9 is a 100th place. So what is the place value of 9? 9 equal to 9 into 1 by 100, that is equal to 9 by 100. Come to that fourth subdivision, 9.657. 9.6 by 7. Here also no thousands, no hundreds, no tens, only 1 was there. So no need to write here. 9 ones, 6 tens, 5 hundreds, 7 thousands. What is the underlined word? Underlined word is 5. Where we are writing that 5? 100th place. So place value of 5 equal to 5 into 1 by 100, that is equal to 5 by 100. Come to the fifth subdivision, 4,972.068. 4,972.068. Here 1000 also is there, 100 also is there, then tens, ones, everything is there. So 4,972, then 068. What is the underlined number? Underlined number is 8. Underlined number is 8. Then what is the place value of 8? The last 4 problems also, instead of number I pronounced maybe word, I think so. Sorry dear. Place value of 8. Where we are writing that 8? Thousands place. So place value of 8 equal to 8 into 1 by 1000. So 8 by 1000. Easy for writing this one, no? Come to the objective type questions. That sixth one is the place value of 3 in 6, the place value of 3 in 85.073. The place value of 3. What is the place value of 3? This was in the decimal part. So tens, hundreds, thousand. So place value of 3 is thousands. Come to the seventh problem. To convert grams into kilograms, we have to divide it by 1000. The beginning itself I told you. Second one, 1000. Second option, 1000. Then eighth one. The decimal representation of 30 kg and 43 gram is 30 kg plus 43 grams. Suppose we have to write in kilograms. Already 30 kg was there in the kilogram only. So only 43 kilogram alone we have to convert to kilogram. So gram, to convert to kilogram we should divide by 1000. To divide by 1000. So 43 by 1000 kilogram. So 30 plus 0.043, we can write it as 30.043 kg. If you want to convert to gram to kilogram, you should divide by 1000. So I am dividing by 1000 here. 30 kg plus 43 by 1000 kg. Here 3 zeros was there in denominator. So you should move 3 decimal places to left. So 0.043, here only 2 digit was there, that's why I am adding one more 0 here. So 30.043 equal to 30.043 kg. Come to that ninth problem. A cricket pitch is about 264 centimeter wide, 264 centimeter wide. It is equal to dash meter. So centimeter is given to us. We have to convert to meter. Centimeter to meter, if you are converting, you should divide by 100. So 264 meter equal to 264 by 100. 264 centimeter equal to 264 by 100 meter. Here 2 zeros was there. So how many decimal places you should move? To 2.64 meter. 2.64 meter. That's all your exercise number 1.1. So we will do the exercise 1.2 now. The first two Romans you can do easily. So that is 2 Romans for you homework. You have to submit in that through WhatsApp also. Then third Roman we will do now. What is the third Roman? Again a place value chart. First and 2 Romans is easy for you. You can do yourself. Now third Roman I will do here. So again we have to write the decimal places in the place value table. Place value table. What is the first Roman is given to us? 25.178. 25.178. Here they didn't ask any place value, only they are asking to write the place value table alone. No need to find the place value of the particular digit. So 25.17, no thousands, no hundreds, 2, 5, 1 tens, 7 hundreds, 8 thousands. Second one, 0.025. Here any thousands are there, any hundreds, no whole number. So only decimal part was there, 0 tens, 2 hundreds, 5 thousands. Come to that third subdivision. 428.001. 428.001. Here no thousand. So I'm keeping a dash. 4 hundreds, 2 tens, 8 ones, 0 tens, 0 hundreds, 1 thousands. Come to that fourth subdivision. 173.178. Here also no thousands. 100, 7 tens, 3 ones, 1 tens, 7 hundreds, 8 thousands. Come to that fifth subdivision. 19.54. 1 tens, 1 ones, 5 tens, 4 hundreds, no thousands. This is a way we have to write the place value chart. Come to that fourth subdivision. They are given to us expanded form. From that expanded form, we have to find out the decimal numbers. What is the first subdivision is given to us? 20 plus 1 plus 2 by 10 plus 3 by 100 plus 7 by 1000. From that, we have to find the decimal numbers. 20. So, I write in tens place. How many ones are there? 1. Keep the decimal point. 2 by 10. How to write? 1. 1 tens. 3 by 100 means 3 tens. Sorry, 3 hundreds. Here 7 thousands. So 1, 3, 7. 21.237, or else we can write 2 into 10, 1 plus 2 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100 plus 7 by 1000. So this one 20 plus 1 21. Here 3 by 2 by 10 plus 3 by 100 plus 7 by 1000. So 20 plus 1, no problem for you. 21. 2 by 10, 0.2. Here 0.00, 0.03 plus 0.007. After that, we have to add. So 0.237. If you are adding 21.237. 21.237. This is one method. Better we will follow this method. You know 2 by 10 means 10th place. 3 that by divided by 100 means this is 100th place. Divided by thousands means thousandth place. So from that you can find easily what is the 10th value number, what is the 100th value numbers, what is that thousandth value number. This is the easiest way. If you are following is the lengthiest method, better will follow this method. So 20 plus 1, 21, 2 by 10, 10th place, 100th place, thousandth place, 21.237. Second subdivision, 3 plus 8 by 10, 4 by 100 plus 5 by 1000. 5 by 1000. This is no problem for you. 3 plus 8 into 1 by 10, 4 into 1 by 100 plus 5 into 1 by 1000. So that is equal to 3 plus 3 point, 10th place 8, 100 place 4, thousands place 5. So 3.845. Come to the third subdivision. 6 plus 0 by 10, 0 by 100, 9 by 1000. So we can write it as 6 plus 0 into 1 by 10 plus 0 into 1 by 100 plus 9 into 1 by 1000. So 6.0, no tens, no hundreds. Here how many thousands? 9 thousands. So 6.009. Come to that fourth subdivision. 900 plus 50 plus 6 plus 3 by 100. So here 900 plus 50, 950 plus 6. So 900 plus 50, 950 plus 56. So 956 plus here any tens is there? No. 0 by 110 plus 3 into 1 by 100. So 956 point, no tens was there, that's why I am keeping 0. Here only 3 by 100 alone is given, but usually if in expanded form whole number also any number is not there, we will keep 0 like that. Here also no tens was there, that's why I am keeping 0 here. So 0 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100. For that here also only 0 only, then 3, 956.03. Fifth Roman, this already you know, last year itself we learned, this is not a new for you. Any whole number part was there? No. So 0.6 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100. Only decimal part alone is given to us. So 1 into 1 by 1000. 6, 1, 1. 0.6, sorry, here 3, 6, 3, 1. 0.631. Only decimal part alone is given to us. Here no whole number part, that's why I am keeping 0 here. So 0.631. Come to that fifth Roman. We have to convert the following fraction into decimal numbers. Following fraction into decimal numbers. First one is 3 by 10. 3 by 10, how to write in decimal part? Here only 1 0 was there. So 0.3. Second one, 3 into 1 by 2. Mixed fraction was given to us. So first we have to convert to improper fraction this mixed fraction. So how to convert this one improper fraction? 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. The whole number part to multiply with the denominator, then add to the numerator. So 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Denominator as it is, we should keep it here, 7 by 2. The second subdivision is given to us in 3, 1 by 2. This is a improper fraction that we have to convert to, this is a mixed fraction that we have to convert to improper fraction. So how to convert to improper fraction? You should multiply the whole number with the denominator, then add to the numerator. What is the denominator is given to us? 2. So 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Whenever the mixed fraction you convert to improper fraction, you should divide the whole, you should multiply the whole number with denominator, then add to the numerator. 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 by 2. The first subdivision 3 by 10 was there. The denominator, you can look at the denominator in the first subdivision, that is 10. So easily you can write the decimal number. Here is not like this. This is a 2 is given to in denominator. If it is fraction has the denominators 10, 100, thousands, easily you can write the decimal number. So first you convert to the denominator to 10. So if it is 2 is given, the last class itself I mentioned, I instructed to you, you should multiply with 5. If it is denominator is 2, you should multiply with 5. Whenever you are multiplying the denominator, immediately you should multiply the numerator also. Don't forget to multiply. So 7 into 5 by 2 into 5. 7 into 5 is 35 by 10. Now you can write the decimal number. So 3.5. 35 by 10, we can write it as 3.5. Come to that third Roman, third subdivision. 3 by 5. 3 by 5. If you are converting 3 into 5, 15. 15 plus 3, 18 by 5. So multiply by 2. If it is the denominator is 5, you should multiply with 2. Then only we can get 10. So 15 into 18 into 2 by 5 into 2, that is equal to 36 by 10. So now we can write the decimal number. So come to that fourth one. 3 by 2 is given. So multiply with 5, you will get 10. So 2 into 5. Don't forget to multiply the numerator also. So 3 into 5, 15 by 10. This one we can write it as 1.5. What is the fifth problem is given to us? 4 by 5. Now the denominator is 5. So multiply by 2. You will get 10. So 8 by 10, that is equal to 0.8. Sixth subdivision, 99 by 100. 99 by 100. Here only 100 was there. So easily we can write the decimal number. So you should move 2 decimal places. So 0.99. Come to the seventh problem. 319 by 25. So multiply by the denominator, adding to the numerator, divided by 25. 325s are 75 plus 19 by 25. If you are adding 94 by 25. If it is denominator is 25, convert to multiples of 10. Multiples of 10, you should multiply with 4. Then only you will get 100. So 94 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 9 4s are 36 plus 1 37, here 100. Now easily we can write the decimal number 3.76. You should move 2 decimal places to the left, that's why moving here 3.76. 319 by 25. I am writing here 94 by 25, you are multiplying with 25, 75, then adding to numerator you will get 94, then denominator is 25. So for denominator is 25, if you are multiplying by 4 only you will get 100, that's why multiplying numerator and denominator also. If you are multiplying 376 by 100, our answer is 3.76. Come to that sixth Roman. Write the following decimals as fraction. The first one is 2.5. First one is 2.5. 0.5, how can we write 2 plus 5 into 1 by 10, no? So, this one 2 plus 5 by 10. 2 plus 5 by 10. I am taking here LCM. So, 2 into 10 plus 5 by 10. So, 20 plus 5 by 10, that is equal to 25 by 10. Once again I am explaining, listen. 2.5, we can write it as 2 plus 5 into 1 by 10. This one 2 plus 5 by 10. I am writing here, I am taking LCM. So, 2 into 10 plus 5 by 10. So, 25 by 10. Come to the second subdivision. Second subdivision is given to us 6.4. This one we can write it as 4 by 10. 4 by 10. So, I am taking LCM 6 into 10 plus 4 by 10. 6 into 10, 60 plus 4 by 10, that is equal to 64 by 10. Then third subdivision 6.4, the 0.4 we can write it as 4 by 10. So, 6 plus 4 by 10, here 1 was the denominator. If you are taking LCM, 6 into 10 plus 4 by 10, that is equal to 60 plus 4 by 60 plus 4 by 10, we can write it as 64 by 10. Come to the third subdivision, 0.75 is given. 0.75 is given. So, only decimal point was there. So, 75 by 100. Here 2 decimal places were there. That's why I am keeping 100 down. So, 75 by 100 was that answer. 7th Roman. Here whole number part also is there, decimal part also is there. That's why we are writing like this. Here only decimal part was there. Here how many decimal places was there? 2. That's why I am keeping 2 zeros down. So, 75 by 100 is that answer. Come to the 7th Roman. First subdivision is 2.34. This we have to write in a fraction form, also in a lowest form. How to write? 2.34, this is whole number part, no problem for us. 0.34 we can write it as 34 by 100. 34 by 100. So, if you are taking LCM, 2 into 100 plus 34 by 100, that is equal to 200 plus 34 by 100. If you are adding 234 by 100, go for simplification method, go to 2 table, here 50, here 117, 117. So, 117 by 50. Once again I am explaining, listen. Here 2.34 is given to us. 2.34 we can write it as 2 plus 34 by 100. How? Here 4 is given, 10th place, 100th place, 2 decimal places was there. That's why I am writing 100 down. So, 2 plus 34 by 100, if you are taking LCM, 2 into 100 plus 34 divided by 100, 2 into 100, 200 plus 34 by 100, we can write it as 234 by 100 if you are cancelling 117 by 50. Come to that second subdivision, 0.18. Here also 2 decimal places were there. So, you can write it as 18 by 100. 18 by 100. Go for cancellation method. 9 by 50. What is that answer? 9 by 50 is the simplest form. Come to the third subdivision, 3.56. 3.56. Here also 2 decimal places was there. So, 3 plus 56 by 100. Taking LCM, 3 into 100 plus 56 by 100. 3 into 100, 300 plus 56 by 100. So 356 by 100. 356 by 100. Go for cancellation method. 50. How many 2's are there? 1. Again 15. 7 2's are 14. 8 2's are 16. 178 by 178 by 50. Again go for 2 table. 8. 8 2's are 16. 9 2's are 18. 25. So 89 by 25 is the answer. 89 by 25. Once again I am explaining. Listen. 3.56 we can write as 3 plus 56 by 100 because here 2 decimal points was the 2 decimal number was there. That's why I am writing 56 by 100. Taking LCM, 3 into 100 plus 56 by 100. 3 into 100, 300 plus 56 by 100. If you are adding 356 by 100, go for cancellation method. If you are cancelling, we are getting the answer 89 by 25. Only 2 more objectives is there. What is that? 8th Roman is given to us 3 plus 4 by 100 plus 9 by 1000. 3 is the whole number. So 3 here any tenth is there? No. So 3 plus 0 into 1 by 10, 4 into 1 by 100 plus 9 into 1 by 1000. So here now we can write as 3.049. What is the option? Fourth option, 3.049. Come to the 9th Roman, 3 by 5. You should write in decimal number. Here denominator is 5. So you can multiply with 2. If you are multiplying 6 by 10, so 0.6. Option is fourth option. This also fourth option. 3 by 5 is given to us. If you are converting to 10, you should multiply with 2. So 3 into 2 by 5 into 2, 6 by 10 equal to 0.6. Come to that 10th Roman, simplest form of 0.35. 0.35. Here 2 decimal places was there. So 35 by 100. 35 by 100. We can write it as 0.35. 35 by 100. If you are cancelling, 7 5's are 35. How many 5's are 100? 2 5's are 10. 0. So 7 by 20. What is the answer? 7 by 20. 0.35. We can write it as 35 by 100. Go for cancellation method. If you are cancelling, 7 by 20 is the answer. That is the third subdivision. Thank you, dears. That's all today's lesson. We look at the comparison of decimal in the next session.